I don't know what's going on. Good morning, evening, afternoon, night, wherever in the world you may be, ladies and gentlemen. How y'all doing today? Well, it's a wonderful morning. Wonderful Monday morning. Well, actually, about this time here, it's Monday afternoon. Sitting up here in wonderful Carlisle, PA. Can't deliver my load until in the morning. Bring a load out of California. End up making my way down back into Nevada, however y'all want to call that shit out there. I really don't give a damn. I'm gonna call it what I want to. Now, coming out across there, all of a sudden, snowstorm. About halfway between Reno and Wendover. A little snowstorm. But now we're across Utah. Got all the way out across there. Nothing. Maybe it was just a little pop. Okay. And keep in mind, I got this thing loaded on Thursday, I think it was. Okay. So I started getting out, I leave Salt Lake, climb the mountain. Everything's good and dandy and freaking wonderful going up through there. I get a call from my old lady saying that the interstate is completely shut down. I-80 from Rock Springs all the way to Laramie, Wyoming. I was wondering what was going on. You know, why exactly that was going on. They told me there's a dang blizzard shut down the interstate. I was like, I just went through one back there. So you mean to tell me that there's another storm behind us? It's gonna be lovely. I get over there into the state. I pull into the check station right there coming in to Wyoming. I pulled in there. Had to go real bad because I wasn't about to stand out there and freeze my old winky wing off. Okay, that would have been bad. But I got all the way into there. Had to go and do my thing. Get back in the truck. Started rolling. I got there into the truck parking. I know y'all are still surprised that I said winky wang, ain't you? That was pretty funny. If it wasn't funny, you get the heck out of here. I don't give a damn. Anyways, got up to that parking area right there in Evanston. It's parking chain up, and I wish people would understand that you can park on both sides. They've got the thing set up. That's not 3 freaking individual lanes. That's you park on both sides of the thing, leaving the center wide open for people to go and leave the damn thing. Yeah, that was fun. But I got there that night. The very next day, or what was that I stopped at? Because there was one of them I went and picked up there. I know I stopped somewhere in Nevada. I can't remember exactly where it was. I started up my day or whatnot, and I hauled ass. But anyway, got there at night. Decided to say, screw it. Interstate shut down ahead of me. That's fine. Next morning, the little section of interstate that was going by me, there was hardly anything coming by. Got to looking around. All of a sudden, I looked behind, and sure enough, they had the damn interstate closed where I was at. So we couldn't even get out on the interstate. Man, that was bad. I know I sat there for 18 plus hours before I decided to go anywhere. Got over to Wamsutter and said, screw it, I'm not driving on ice. But ever since you're from sitting for 18 hours, now keep in mind, truck drivers have that 10-hour deal. So I only set 8 hours over until they open it up well enough to get me on toward Wamsutter. And, you know, going and, well, after I left out of that state, got to drier roadways and stuff, I raced all the way across here. I get all the way over here running on, I mean, a decent recap time. And, but I got all the way over here. And then, of course, when dealing with certain people, you know, you can't, nobody does business over the weekend. It's got to be Monday through Friday. So I had to wait until the day to call them up and let them know, hey, I'm right here, and we need to see when I can get these, get my load delivered in there, because it's appointment only. Well, let's just say that I'm not exactly the happiest camper in the world right now, because I am 35 miles away from my delivery. And I could have had the thing off of here already. Could have been on my next load to get me home, or wherever in the heck they're planning on getting me to, for Thanksgiving. But this is going to drag everything on, and then I'm not going to be home on time to go with my family over to some more friends' house for Thanksgiving. I'm going to miss all of that crap because of how this stupid thing is set up. I mean, if you think about it, this particular load that I'm on, I've already been under it. For what? Let's see. Pick the thing up Thursday. So you got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It does not take in a 69.5, not 70, but 69.5 mile an hour truck. It does not take a full 4 freaking days on good recap time to get from California all the way over to Pennsylvania. Lordy have mercy. Or give me strength not to kill some dang body out here. But I gotta get up early in the morning and get this thing down there, get this load off, see what the next load is or whatnot, because they're not gonna deadhead me all the way from up here in Pennsylvania all the way down to southern Mississippi. Hell no. That ain't gonna happen. That would be a loss of money for not only me, but the company. Ain't going that far. But the good thing is, I get to do a 34. I get to get a full 70-hour weekly clock. Ah, man. Yeah. I mean, I literally could have done one out there. I didn't have to race across the country. But no. Get over here. It's not good enough. So, this is one of those things that it's not actually my fault that the thing is like this. I mean, fought a blizzard. I literally spent 2 days in Wyoming. Well, a day and a half in Wyoming because of that crap. Oh man, it was freaking horrible. Just so everybody is clear and everybody knows that when it freaking snows in Wyoming, when the wind blows in Wyoming, and they restrict people from traveling down the freaking interstates, just know that they're so high in elevation that the high winds is worse. The snowing is worse. And you got to have patience going into that state with a lot of time. If you don't have enough time and enough patience, don't even go to Wyoming. Oh, my Lord. But I'll get over here. I'm all trying to figure out what time I need to leave out of this thing right here, because the Petro up here in Carlisle, it could turn into a real cluster real quick. Anyway, I'm going to jump off this thing right here. I'm going to walk up front and see what I can get myself into. In the meanwhile, everybody, just be careful this holiday season. Be thankful that you're around. Be thankful that you got family. If you don't have family, there's folks out there that'll accept you into their families as well. Understand what this thing is for, you know. Being thankful for what you got. Y'all have a safe travel and whatnot, and you know, for all my friends and family back home, all over the country, even around the world. If it's hot where you are, stay cool. If it's cool where you are, stay warm. Get out there, stay safe, and for God's sake, don't drive like a dummy. Don't drive drunk. Don't speed through inclement weather like that. Stay safe. Don't do anything stupid. And I'll catch you later. Holla.